Hi, my name is Steve Rahi. I'm a cloud solutions architect focused on management technologies. Today's discussion will be the final installment in our series that was focusing on the Intune Suite and the components therein. Today's discussion will be a very brief discussion focused on specialty device management with Intune. Why is it going to be a very brief discussion? Well, because there's not a ton to say, right? And also, specialty device management, you'll see in a minute what those are. And I don't have any devices to be able to demonstrate to you more specifically, but this is a capability that you will get if you purchase the Intune Suite, right? Again, components can be licensed, some of them independently if you don't want to purchase the entire suite. But this certainly comes with the suite, right? So very quickly, here's the agenda. So what is specialty device management? Well, put simply, it's the ability to manage specialized devices with Intune. So these could be alternate reality, virtual reality headsets, could be smart screen devices, could be conference room meeting devices, Teams room devices. So the conference room meeting devices may be a Surface Hub, or there's also HoloLens in here as specialty devices. I would love to have some of these devices to be able to test with. But as you can imagine, these are not common devices, perhaps, like PCs are and so forth. So having those for a test lab is not something I have, right? So why specialty device management? Well, you have Intune. And so if you have Intune and you're already using Intune to manage your devices, it just makes sense to be able to leverage Intune to manage all of the devices that you would care to. And these specialty devices that often run a variant of an OS already supported by Intune, it makes sense, right? So these specialty devices either run a specialized version of Windows or a specialized version of Android, typically, right? There may be some iOS devices out there for sure that I haven't seen directly, but anyway, it's those three typically. So what are the requirements? You basically need appropriate licensing. So either Intune Suite or the standalone license. This one is available for purchase that way, and I didn't mention the other ones that are that way too, but this one certainly is. So to configure this, you need to enroll your device. So the way that you enroll your device will be different, perhaps, depending on the device. So if you're looking at a HoloLens device or a Surface Hub device, then the enrollment process is not all that different. It's really not different than a typical Windows enrollment. If you're looking at a virtual reality headset, then typically that's going to be scanning a QR code or something like that, right? It will vary depending on the device manufacturer for sure. But once you have those devices enrolled, then you would manage those devices just like any other device. Now, sure, the full suite of management capabilities may not be available for your specialty device, but the process by which you go pick the settings that are supported by your specialty device is the same as any other Intune device. And folks, that quickly, that simply, we're done, right? So specialty device management, last topic in the Intune Suite review. So we will end it here, and we will see you next time.